Welcome to CDT day 113. We're going to start the day out with a little MacD's and then head back to Dubois. Alright, we are back in Dubois. The Wind River kid was nice enough to let me drive the old Chevy all the way into town, so I had a bunch of fun. Now we're going to go to Noon Rock Pizzeria again and get a couple beers before we head back to Trail. I'm not going to tell you what kind of beer I ordered, but I'll have it once in a blue moon. Alright, we've met up with Girly Girl at the restaurant, and we got ourselves a plan. And no surprise to you guys, it includes a zero, but it's for an important reason. We are forming a super group. A Tramily. 5 people. The most people I've ever hiked with in my life. It'll be Jandals, Jesus, Paps, Girly Girl, and Woj. Make it happen. Still chilling in town with a beautiful original 1967 Chevy pickup truck. I got to drive this puppy from Lander all the way to Dubois. It was one hell of a time. Got to pass a bunch of big trucks on the highway, going 70 miles per hour through the Badlands and through the canyons and stuff. What a hell of a time. Now, some of you might know or not, family members definitely know that I don't really care about old vehicles and cars and stuff, but I don't know, this has me. Just being able to drive them is still pretty cool. Just that 4 on the floor, just cranking through the gears. That's not too bad. Right after Noon Rock Cafe Pizza, we decided to go back to the church for a little bit so that Jesus can download some stuff and get some food before we go out to the lodge, Lava Mountain Lodge, where Girly Girl wants to stay so that we can all hook up with each other and make our plans for the butte cutoff and things like that. So we're going to go do that and just hang out for a little while and kind of bullshit and then make our way out there. It should be a good, relaxing day, I believe.
Nice to meet you.
And I was like,
Is she an older lady?
We don't want
Yeah.
to interrupt her.
She's like, you're gonna get zapped by lightning.
Before leaving to go to the lodge, we actually just ran into a hiker named Bearman, who has seen and met with Jesus on all 3 of the major trails that they've been on. So they have quite a big history together, but also Bearman appears to watch my YouTube videos. So really cool guy, really nice person, and it's great to talk to him. So Bearman, thank you for watching my channel, and hope to see you at some point again, maybe on another trail or something. Sounds like you've already made your way through them all. So yeah, we had some dinner with Bearman and then the rest of the crew. But haven't met up with Woj yet because he's staying at another lodge, but we'll probably do that tomorrow morning. So yeah, now the dinner's over, had a couple good beers. I think it's time to head out to the lodge, except we're just waiting on the Wind River kid. We gave him some money to go down to Lander and pick up some supplies for us. So he offered to go down there and get it for us, so he'll be down there, and then he should be coming back in like the next hour or 2, and then he'll be taking us up to the lodge. So for now, we'll just be hanging out at the church and relaxing until he gets back. Alright, I'm just gonna video this in the dark because it's easier, but unfortunately I haven't heard back from the Wind River kid in a while. He said he'd be here in about a half hour, and then it's been about an hour and a half and he hasn't answered our calls, so I'm getting kind of worried about him, hoping that everything's okay. Unfortunately, that kind of took all the time out of our day, so we can't get to the lodge. So I guess we're all just going to kind of stay here in the church and wait it out and, you know, have a good night and sleep and get up in the morning and see if we can contact him again. And if not, we'll just have to hitch out. And unfortunately, you know, that'll kind of change our plans. But, yeah, we're just really hoping that he's okay. Hoping the best for him. So we'll see what happens. But for now, we'll just have to assume that he's not going to come and get ready to leave tomorrow morning. So unfortunately, this is a very uneventful 0 day. But we should be picking back up tomorrow with something better. Not every day is going to be a winner, I guess. Sorry. But we'll see you guys tomorrow.